America can't figure it out why China built a dam in the desert and laid electric blankets on the highway in the snow-capped plateau. Once unveiled, Western countries watched in admiration as the Kuji to Malcolm Expressway became the country's first sky-defying highway with its own floor heating, allowing the road to automatically receive the cold and pass even in a blizzard of -29 degrees Celsius without relying on chemical snow dissolvers, protecting the Ruergai grassland wetlands with a construction cost of only 490,000 yuan while saving 320,000 yuan in annual freight. It's a heaven-defying project that warms both the road and the heart. So let's witness more Chinese style together.